Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here today in this video we will learn how to install Bootstrap and jQuery inside Angular. So before proceeding further guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon if you have not subscribed yet. And without any further delay, let's start. First you open your Visual Studio Code and inside the terminal write the command npm install bootstrap. Okay, my bootstrap is installed here. After that install jquery. So I write here command npm install jquery. You can see this. My jquery is also installed here. After that installing both bootstrap and jquery, open your window explorer here and open your folder. My folder name is my angular. Search your folder here. This is my folder, my angular. Click on here and this is my app. So click on here and open your non-modules file. Here you can search your bootstrap. A B. This is the bootstrap. You can see this name here. Open this bootstrap folder and open this pics folder and css, and this is your bootstrap min.css. So copy this path up to node modules. Okay, copy this and paste on here. Go to the your Visual Studio Code and here open your angular.json file, this one, and in the number line 27 you paste here. Okay, and correct your slash. And here also, and write here bootstrap dot mean dot css, and inside the script write here same. This is your script file, typescript file, and this is your style means css, and here write here script for js, and here also js, and save it. In this way you are added bootstrap inside your angular. And right now second step is jquery. How to add jquery? First go to that folder, my angular folder, click on here and open your node modules. Here you can search jquery. So where is my jquery? A B C D F G H I J. Okay, here you can search jquery. This is my jquery folder. Open this and inside this folder open and this is your jQuery.js. So copy this path up to node modules. Okay, or copy this path and open your Visual Studio Code, then open your angular.jsl folder inside the script, and right here paste on that. Okay, and correct your slash. jQuery.js. Okay, okay, and save it. In this way you are added both Bootstrap and jQuery, and you can check it that your Bootstrap is added or not. First, click on Control plus A and remove all this, and here write your code. You can see your output in the browser that your jQuery and Bootstrap is added, and save it and run your command using ngserve. Okay, and you can see your output in the browser that your Bootstrap and jQuery both are added inside your Angular. You can see this. Uh, it seems good. It looks good than earlier because both are added here. So in this way, you can add your jQuery and Bootstrap. I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe and share. And thanks for watching.